This presentation reviews how hospitals can apply a medical device software bill of materials to improve risk management and operations around medical device security to reduce the risks of information exposure and patient harm. Hospitals lack necessary data on software components in the medical devices they purchase and operate to reduce the risks of protected health information exposure and patient harm. Currently, even larger hospital systems are not familiar with the concept of software bill of materials and may not have the expertise on how to collect, manage, and act on this information. The concept of a software bill of materials comes from manufacturing, where a bill of materials is an inventory detailing all the items included in a product. For example, for an automaker, if a defective part is discovered, the manufacturer can know exactly what vehicles are affected and take action to repair or replace it. Software Bill of Materials, or SOBM, would use these supply chain concepts and apply them to software. An SOBM listing would include an inventory of proprietary, open source, and third-party software to improve the reliability and security of these components. A software bill of materials provides a way to evaluate the reliability of suppliers and components, as well as tabulate the number and severity of known software vulnerabilities. An example of a software bill of materials table is shown as Figure 1. The FDA is exploring requiring the medical device industry to submit a software bill of materials as part of its review process before a device is allowed for sale. This is to ensure medical devices are resilient to cybersecurity threats. Cybersecurity attacks have rendered medical devices and hospital networks inoperable and disrupted the delivery of patient care. This has the potential to delay diagnoses and treatment and lead to patient harm. The risk of patient harm is particularly worrisome in cases of implantable medical devices. Vulnerabilities could be used to control the implanted devices or intercept data such as protected health information. The healthcare industry has been one of the most targeted industries in the US for years, and this trend is likely to continue. The average number of medical devices per hospital bed is 10 to 15 devices. Thus, a 500-bed hospital could have up to 7,500 devices, and most will be connected to the facility's network. This number is likely to grow as technology improves. By developing an ability to use software bill of materials information and execute applicable use cases, hospitals reduce the risk of medical devices exposing protected health information or causing patient harm. Use case guidance is needed for hospitals to learn how to apply software bill of materials information. Guidance on best practices for software bill of materials data would aggregate lessons from industry stakeholders to help hospitals learn to replicate these actions to achieve similar results.